You press the gas pedal to pass a slow car, but instead of accelerating, your engine hesitates, stumbles, or maybe does not respond at all. It is a scary feeling called the dead pedal. If you scan your car and see code P212D, you are dealing with a throttle position sensor switch G circuit, high input. In the old days, a physical cable connected your gas pedal to the engine. Today, almost all vehicles use a drive-by-wire system. This means your gas pedal is just a sensor that sends an electrical signal to the computer, which then tells a motor on the engine how much to open the throttle. The code P212D means the computer is seeing a voltage signal from a specific part of this system, identified as circuit G, that is higher than the programmed limit. Usually, these sensors operate on a 0.5 to 4.5 volt scale. If the computer sees 5 volts or more, it assumes there is a short to power or a sensor failure, and it puts the car into limp mode to prevent the throttle from sticking wide open. Diagnosing this requires a systematic approach. Do not just throw a new pedal or throttle body at it yet. Start by looking for a technical service bulletin for your specific car, as this is a common issue on certain makes. If there are no bulletins, pop the hood and inspect the throttle body. Over time, carbon and oil sludge build up around the throttle plate, causing it to stick or not close all the way. This physical resistance can confuse the sensor and cause voltage spikes. Clean that throttle body carefully with an approved cleaner and a rag. If it is clean, check the electrical connector. You are looking for corrosion or loose wires. If you have a scan tool that can read live data, watch the voltage for the throttle position sensor while you slowly press the gas pedal with the engine off. The number should go up smoothly. If you see the voltage spike or jump erratically, you have found your bad sensor. It is usually either the sensor on the pedal itself or the one built into the throttle body. By checking for carbon buildup and watching the voltage, you can pinpoint the problem without guessing.